क्या भाई ये कौन है?
Let me ask him for 8-4.
Oh,
अरे
who's on the trade, bro? Stop him.
ऑयल प्रिंस है क्या ये?
ये तुम लोग ना सीजन को
Then we're
भिखारी
gonna
बना रहे
listen.
हो।
There's nobody gonna.
सच में
Alan,
यार
no one's gonna listen to you. There's a guy
मेरे को तो वो
giving money
अच्छा
out to
समझ के
everyone.
दिया, तो ये सब जाके उसको ट्रेड कर रहे हो।
चलो चलो भाई, कम वेस्ट भाई, बस करो यार। साला प्लेयर्स ऑन अनदर ट्रेड आ रहा है, भाग जल्दी आओ वेस्ट।
दे
Come
रहा है
west,
मेरे
come
को एक
west, come
सेकंड
west.
रुको।
We don't have time, bro. We don't have time. We have to leave. Just check what am I missing. What am I missing? Just tell me.
इनवाइट करो, इनवाइट करो।
Take Azmir. Azmir enigmatic. Take. Yeah, Dexter is fourth healer, bro. We have four healers. Okay, let's see. Anuj
कोई
will
मेरे
go.
को हैमर
Takes
देगा।
power. Okay, I need a GA. I need a GA. Who plays GA? Who's in comms?
Where is DPS?
Bakasit, can you play GA? Baka Bakshi, hello.
सब जगह उसको ट्रेड कर रहे हैं अपने पास।
I guess
अरे भाई कुछ बोल दो, hello.
maybe if someone can play Bedrock, I can go GA.
ये क्या लिख रहा है? भीष्मा क्या सीट है?
RPG san, are you playing anything?
Man, yeah, anything then.
What do you play? What?
I can
Hey,
go
why
human
Beast Ribbon?
and
No, Beast Ribbon यहाँ पे तुम्हारा रिफ्ट क्लिप लेकर के खड़ा हुआ है.
कहाँ पे? Call him, bro. Beast Reborn is a good team. Just one.
This dog is standing here.
Okay, RBG san, go demon fan. Go.
okay.
Wait, hold on. Can you play Blood Letter?
Yes.
So listen, go Blood Letter, Clerical, and you are the looter. Okay. Your only idea is to loot.
That's what I was.
Okay.
Go. Clerical and everything for defensive. Okay. Your main idea is you go, you loot everything. You loot them, you loot us when we die. And don't die.
भाई
Okay,
ऐसा
I
लगता है
comment for that.
कोई ब्लड लेटर बोलता है तो न्यूरॉन एक्टिवेट हो जाता है सब लोग।
वही ना बात है, सब रेड विल खेलते हैं भाई।
न्यूरॉन एक्टिवेशन।
कोई नहीं बता सकता हूँ यहाँ पे किसी का लोकस में हंड्रेड नहीं है।
Invite Baka said Bhishma is playing from Bhishma ID.
हेरॉन कोई फायदा है तुमको बोलने का दूसरा बिट करने को?
If we don't get a perma, then we.
और ऑप्शन दो मेरे को, डीपीएस का ऑप्शन दो भाई बीच में, और ऑप्शन दो। और क्या खेल सकते हो?
आर्किन खेलो ना, कल आर्किन अच्छा गया तो।
वो आ रहा है, बीच रिबॉन आ रहा है। Okay, everybody stack up north. We have to leave northwest. Anybody in comms who doesn't have a role, fast.
अरे हला ले लेना उसको इन्फॉर्मेशन ले ले फिलहाल।
क्या?
ले ले एग्जीक्यूट करने में मे भी काम आ जाएगा, अगर नहीं काम आया तो फिर मे भी तू एक पॉइंट
Number is T6 or T7?
हाँ मैं ये लिया हूँ सबको तो लिया ही हूँ। Who's not in my party?
I'll 6%
I have everybody in my bro. 23 in comms bro. Who's not in party?
RPG is not here.
या
RPG, okay. RPG is staying party too. You'll kill looter, okay. Who else is not in party?
Hello. No, hello in the party.
Oh my god, seriously, bro. The guy traded me 23.
Bro,
23?
be careful, bro. One of my friends just like
He
this
said,
got
You will get banned.
Nah, bro. He's just kidding, bro. Let's go northwest, bro. Nobody saw that. Taking this.
सुनो रैंडम से कभी ट्रेड मत करो, बैन खा जाओगे।
yeah, one of my friend got
याद
banned.
रखना।
भाई 23 के लिए बैन हो जाऊंगा कोई।
तो कितने बंदे को बैन करेगा?
1 मिलियन के लिए बैन खा जाओगे, 1
3
मिलियन।
million दे दिया।
Pass
23
Pass me the lead. Listen. Pass me the lead. Who's in party two? Who's Shishimanu is there, bro. Why are you always so late? Okay, Shishimanu, listen.
पूरा guild
Who can you play? Give me some idea.
Make Shishimanu party and let everybody play 16.
Nah. I want one more demon, bro. I want one more demon. So Shishimanu, can you play some weapon with demon? Can speak up, Shishimanu. Okay, everybody stack up northwest. Take invis and zone northwest. Don't have time. We have to go steep. Okay, steep. You have to reach there in 8 minutes. Huh?
टीम स्पीक ज्वाइन करना है टाइम्स को।
अब रहने दो. Now it's too late. Nice.
Alright, it's fine, bro. We don't say that much. Our main issue is our T-tanks don't talk enough.
Shishimanu, we can come as another healer as well.
Did take it this bro, real stuff.
No,
Also kinky.
only pussies taking this.
Aha.
Or
Yeah,
gankers.
we have two non-pussies. Real Storm and Kinky.
Pussies take Regers as well, right?
There is a male, Emmet.
Only
The
chats
boys
go
is
like
not coming with
this.
us. Hello, Halal.
No, they fought already 17:30 UTC, so they're still doing ward review. Their ward review goes for like 1 hour.
Yo guys,
Okay.
one last thing. Try to record your words. If you don't, you gay.
And RPG Sun, bro, you have to loot everything in the map, okay?
Okay, bro.
I'm giving you your dream role, okay? Don't forget.
Hey, listen, RPG. If I loot faster than you, then you're banned from that role, and you have to play something else.
RPG.
Honestly, I need professional looter.
You
You have to
you need
give that
professional
loot to Guild,
bro.
bro.
Just give me
Bro,
that.
you have not seen me looting. Have not seen me, bro. Like, let me.
तो लूट करता ही नहीं है ना.
हाँ,
Yeah.
करूंगा ना अभी दिखाऊंगा भाई.
मोबाइल से कैसे लूट करेगा?
Hello.
भाई मोबाइल
I'm
पे
the second
किसने बोला
best
मोबाइल
looter
पे?
of the Guild, bro.
I'm northwest. If I get a good route bound, Anuj, I'm gonna put you on guild looter.
रियल स्टॉर्म किसने
hold on.
बोला? I'm a mobile player.
घंटा.
अरे ये नीजरेस का स्काउट खड़ा है,
Yes.
अभी मार दे रहा है उसको.
Who is mobile player? Who is mobile player?
RPG Sun.
Fuck you, real stuff.
Oh my god, bro.
Real stuff. Fuck you, bro. What are you doing there?
Imagine he loots nothing and he dies and gives his loot as well.
Bro, who said
अरे
bro?
ये
I'm
नीजरेस का
mobile-
स्काउट है, मारो इसको.
ना रहने दो भाई. नहीं.
That's why you need me or fighter faces your looters, bro.
Bro, I need you on loot bound, bro.
So let me come on PC, okay? No worries, bro. I play on iPad, but I will let me come on PC. No worries.
Come.
फोन पे तो मैं
Look at the dedication, bro. Look at the dedication for being a rat.
Yeah. See, like I don't play on PC, but I'm willing to come on. Sorry.
अबे यार अभी पता है कार्नेज का वो आया था ना बंदा.
WYD Totohu project. WYD Totohu project took the post.
How many?
Bro, somebody
I-
invite me in second party.
We go
Toy
directly
Project
to
has
SM.
Toy Project always has a T1, Tier 9 block. Never more, never less.
Okay, fine. We fight them. We'll fight them. Okay.
Oh, we have Carnage in
There is
Invis.
a Carnage dog on us.
कार्नेज ब्लॉक.
Where?
Carnage dog.
Dog.
No.
Ratter.
The way fight is going, bro, right now. Okay, let's go northwest, take tunnel, we'll go steep. The way fight is
Somebody-
going right now, we'll need friends.
Somebody
Yeah,
invite
bro.
me in second party, bro. Somebody invite me in second party.
You want you the second party leader?
Yes, I was not. But somebody was.
Give me a second.
Yeah, zero disarray.
No, we do not have this.
We had disarray. People were still zoning.
Hey, let's fight without disarray.
Shishimanu, drop what you're playing in party. Okay? In guild. What are you?
There are 36 people in Guild online right now. Chuchuma. I never saw Chuchuma, this guy, join anything, bro.
Chuchu mama. Yeah.
So for that thing, bro, you have to message these people.
Bro, I'm asking.
Right?
I will do it.
Listen. Forget about it all. Just drop an announcement that you have to join either PvE or PvP or anything. You just have to do some content with the guild, or what is the point of being in a guild?
Yeah, I posted 4 things what to do in the
But
guild.
you guys
I
need
didn't-
people to bring you season point also, right? Or no?
That's
अरे
the
तो
thing.
वो तो guild के
Hello,
साथ
hello.
करने से आएगा ना.
Hello, listen.
हम PvE player hire
Hello.
तो कर सकते हैं.
अरे,
हमें तो CTA players चाहिए.
Arey, listen. Okay, we can after the first this thing reset, like after 10 days, I'm gonna check if the season point like they actually doing content, either season point contributing. If not, I'm just gonna send them what you could say personal message. Since I like trying to make this thing Google sheet, Excel sheet of that.
Hey bro, you're working too hard for the guild.
Yeah.
I
Second
think
thing,
we
bro,
should start paying as
we
per
don't have
Excel.
time, right? I hope everybody's still moving on while they're talking. RPG San, just join,
Bro,
bro.
nobody invited me. What's the final destination?
I think you are the second party, that's why nobody invited you. Invite Shishiman.
I guess
And
Azmi
tell
said
next up the party too.
if you make success, I get kill meal.
Azmir is in my party, by the way. So you are the party too. Who joined comms?
मिलेगा.
Shishimon, Shishimon.
Invite Shishimanu. Shishimanu, what are you playing? Drop your weapon. Okay, maybe just go healer, bro.
Bro, we need DPS, Alal. We don't have enough DPS, bro.
Maybe
We
we
have
should
enough
stay on
DPS,
this road,
trust
bro.
me.
We are way deep. Only
I trust your comp, Alal, but I don't trust my DPS
Try
to all
from
of them to drop everything at once.
Safe photo से
Problem
try
is,
करना जो भी आ रहे हैं अब.
Just trust people, man. We are all Indians. What the fuck?
जोन तुम्हारा है.
So we are in your entry plane heading towards the
yeah, hearing can going deep.
और भी जोड़ के
हेडक्वार्टर के बगल वाला जोन.
time. We can reach.
Oh, Azmir bhai, you don't play face scale rogue with enigmatic drone. You should be tank. You should be Judy. Try to survive with it. Face scale rogue है उसके पास.
मैं
face scale
बैकलाइन
rogue
से खेल रहा हूँ. ऐसे मत करो. इसलिए तो मैं पूछ रहा था कौन सा कंटेंट के लिए जा रहे हो. मैं बता ही नहीं.
Screen डाला है ना कैसे लौट. Go northeast, fast. We don't have time.
Yes, where can we go right now? Yes, where can we go? 18 minutes.
Bro,
ऐसा
what's
कुछ
the
नहीं
final?
है. वो बहाना बता रहा है. उसको आलस आ रहा था कुछ नया खरीदने में, तो उसका जो पड़ा हुआ था वो चुपचाप से लेकर के आ
नहीं,
गया.
नहीं रे. Maybe outpost में face rogue is actually benefit, but Judy भाई, Judy.
Nah, he's a tank, bro. Oh, have you seen a tank playing Clotha?
Huh?
He's enigmatic, bro. Why would
Yes, I know. Enigmatic's idea is as a tank. He should be built as a tank.
Yes, that is also. I'm supporting your point, bro.
That's why you don't play face scale.
मैंने एक बार खेला.
That's what I'm saying. I'm telling you, what happened. I'm telling you. ये अजमेर को आलस आ रहा था, तो उसने जो उसको दिखा वो पहना और वो
चलो कोई नहीं, as long as he don't die.
सच बात तो वो है ही, क्योंकि तुम लोगों ने बोल दिया कि we are moving. तो जो सामने है वो पहन के आ गया.
भाई टाइम देखो, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. 62 8 मिनट है मेरे पास कैसल लेने को. I'm sure 3 मिनट बाद तो पूरी पार्टी पहुंचेगी.
इन्वेंटरी से खोजने से अच्छा मैं तो खरीद ही लूंगा.
Oh, what the fuck? Nobody in steep. Come fast. We bonk it fast and we take defensive position. Oh, perfect.
It's okay, bro.
Okay, Shishimanu is fine. Shishimanu, just come fast.
Shield is deep now.
Yes.
Yeah.
What else are they capping?
अरे मैं तो एचओ से जा रहा हूँ. मैं भी केवल चोरी.
ये मत बोलना भाई कि उसकी नहीं है.
Shishimanu and Forex. Bro, what's the final destination?
Sail deep. I'll just stream my game.
I can't like it.
Halal created this.
पार्टी लीड देना.
Hey, also I wanted to ask, हलाल को रीगेयर मिलता है?
नहीं ले रहा भाई. शुरुआत में एक दो बार
ले रहा है.
लेना बनता होती है. शुरुआत में एक दो बार लिया था, फिर कहाँ लिया हूँ भाई.
लेने में तो
लाल भाई
बोल ही दिया.
सबने लिया.
ऑफिसर को कोई रीगेयर नहीं है, इसलिए सब ऑफिसर बना देते हैं. सबको ऑफिसर बना देते हैं.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? सारे ऑफिसर्स को रीगेयर मिल रहा है. हैक्स में डायरेक्ट अनुज
मेरे पास
there is one guy on.
So how?
Don't bonk. भाई, bro, if you bonk, they'll know we are attacking now. Oh my god, now just attack. Come attack.
What's the way, bro? Like Ava portal.
Sorry?
Should we block southeast?
Let me see. Is this a good place? Fine. You don't have a choice. Just bonk. Fast. We don't have time. D10 stay mounted. Okay. Who doesn't have a hammer? Yes, you're on it. Yes.
I think they will run from southeast. Should we block?
No. Fine. Prioritize castle. First we take castle. Bonk. Get ready. Engage in behind me. See?
Just bonk, keep bonking.
A bit more fast. This time I'm gonna look at the guard rules. Okay. Save your guard rules only when they are engaging. Only when they are engaging. Save it. Keep bonking. 20.
Also, Alal, I'm gonna suggest that every person who is dropping constant guard rules should be on Lima's tape if you don't have a challenge.
Shishimanu, ready to go?
Really? I mean, you can auto attack and get mana as well, right?
You drop guard rules, you of like 5
One second. Somebody go. You go north. We engage in north. Okay. Come fast. They are not here, bro. Pull them in the lord room. Come to the lord room. Find me. Engage on top of me in 3, in 2, in 1. Just engage on top. Engage on top. Yeah, watch out.
हलाल क्राउन बना लो क्राउन बस
हाँ मेरे को पार्टी लीड तो दे पहले भाई पार्टी लीड keep killing bro, it's not dead. Yeah, fine. Bring them to the boss room. Everybody come, bring everything to the boss room. Everything to the boss room. Fast. Get ready. Engaging on top of me. 5, 4. So pull them. Bring them to me. Engage on top of me. 3, 2, 1. Engage on me.
तो मारना है लाल ये करूं
No, नहीं मारना है. No, bro. Fine.
Okay, they're coming.
Two more.
Yeah, fine. All good. Yeah, fine. Focus on me. Kill the best guards, bro. You leash them.
break the gate on me out. Break the gate on break this on me out.
What? Sorry? Okay, get ready. Engage on the boss. Okay. Break it. All good.
Break the northeast gate.
भाई तुम बाहर निकल के आओ ना माउंट से बाहर निकल के आओ
नहीं come out. Everybody come northeast. Get ready. Engaging on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on. After the cleric fall. Hold. After the cleric come. Engage now. Fast. Kill this. Don't let him run. Everybody come out northeast. Come out northeast. Defensive. Now come inside. Get ready. 5 seconds. I'm gonna engage with myself. OC right now. Everybody OC right now. Get ready. I'm looking southwest. Engaging southwest on top of me. 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On top of me. Just everything go. Kill this. More damage. Yeah, full brawl them. Don't worry. Don't worry. Qs and Ws, bro. Kill people who are low. Qs and Ws. More Qs and Ws. 10 seconds. I'm gonna engage. Defensive. Get ready. I'm looking southeast. Brawl them southeast. Get ready. Engaging in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Engage on top. More damage. Full chase them northeast. Full chase them southeast. Defensive. Don't get slacky. Okay. Defensive. Get ready. Yeah. 15 seconds. I'll have my engage, bro. Okay, fine. Just stay. Just hold. Get ready. Kill this perma. He's best. Just kill that perma and come up to the boss room now. Everybody come up to the boss room.
Look outside there.
Okay, fine. Now we have to kill the boss. Listen, kill the boss. Come to me, boss room. Lord room, bro. What the fuck are you doing?
Mount up करो
Whoever is down, I will keep it.
Yeah, if you are behind, mount up and come. Get ready. Killing the boss. Where's this way, bro? You have to say direction. Okay. Boss is not following me, right? Okay, keep attacking, right? Bro, and you guys need to stop playing stupid. Why exiting the gates without calls, bro? It's fucking everything up. Our idea was to take the castle and play defensive, right?
Why you guys
I mean, there's only 3 of them left and all 3 of them were 10% HP. So I thought we're just gonna chase and kill them for the loot.
Then you have to say that everything, na? You have to say there's just 3 of them. And are you confident those 3 of them? Because the way they rushed it,
Yes.
it
I
was
saw
like...
3 of them 10% HP mounting up. That's why I said.
Okay, cap this.
अरे भाई क्राउन कर दो यार मेरे को बिना क्राउन के आदत
Okay, fine. Guild looter, RPG son, stay in the castle, you loot. Everybody come out.
Kinky stay here. Kinky Loto.
I can trade my move to RPG San as well.
Okay.
हेलो
bro, Pinky you loot bro, I will do the
क्राउन कर दो प्लीज क्राउन कर दो मेरे को बिना क्राउन के आदत नहीं है
Okay, listen, come northeast, we don't have time. Come northeast, we take tunnel and we go northeast from there. That's faster. There's a purple out there. Chalo, good thing. Just be happy nobody died and we still got a castle and we got kills. That's priority. Castle was always
कितना मुश्किल लगा मेरे को भाई
Useless information, bro. What is this? We have so much useless information during combat.
मैं कहता क्राउन
Shishimano, you don't have a spell on your Do one thing, bro. Decrease the volume of other people.
Yeah, so much chaotic. I can't hear the caller voice, bro.
21 million from the castle.
Who was even saying?
We may fight Black Pearl, bro.
कौन बोल रहा था?
Gapper is full